What if you could describe an app in plain English and have it built in 10 minutes? That's exactly what Bolt.new does. Let me show you how to build a full app from scratch. No coding required. Over 5 million apps have been built on Bolt.new since launch. The average build time for a functional prototype is under 15 minutes. Software development is being democratized. Bolt.new is an AI app builder. You describe what you want in plain English, and it generates the full code, front-end, back-end database. It runs in your browser. No downloads, no setup, no terminal commands. Just type and build. Let's build a task manager. I type, build a task manager with categories, due dates, priority levels, and a drag and drop interface. Bolt generates the entire app in about 90 seconds. I can see it running live in the preview panel. The default design is clean, but let's customize. I type, make it dark mode with a purple accent color, rounded corners, and a sidebar navigation. Bolt updates the entire UI in 20 seconds. Every change is instant and visual. Right now, our tasks disappear on refresh. Let's fix that. I type, add Supabase for the database, so tasks persist. Bolt connects to Supabase, creates the tables, and adds authentication. Now users can sign up and their tasks are saved. Here's the magic. I type, add a feature where tasks can be shared with other users via email invite. Bolt adds the sharing system, the invite flow, and the permission model. Feature development through conversation. No code, no documentação, no Stack Overflow. Something broke. The due date filter doesn't work. I paste the error message and say, fix this. Bolt reads the error, finds the bug, fixes it, and explains what went wrong. Debugging without knowing how to code. That's the future. Time to go live. Click the deploy button. Bolt deploys to Netlify or Versal in one click. You get a live URL you can share with anyone. Your app is on the internet. The whole process from idea to deployed app took about 30 minutes. Be realistic about what Bolt can do. It's incredible for prototypes, internal tools, and simple SaaS products. For complex enterprise software, you'll still need developers. My tip, start simple, iterate with prompts, and don't try to build everything in one message. Go build something. Bolt.new is free to start. Link in the description. Subscribe, and I'll show you more AI development tools every week.